So we've reached the end of the error handling and validation module. And let's just take a quick look at a summary of what we've looked at inside this particular module. So we've looked at API validation using data attributes, but we didn't use them. And we're using Fluent validation instead inside our application. We've also taken a look at exception and error handling and adding our own custom middleware to catch any exceptions, take a look at the exception, and send back an HTTP response depending on what the error is inside our application logic. We've also taken a look at Axios interceptors so that we can intercept any error responses that come back from our server and make a decision about what to do with it. Now, we've only looked at a few types of errors, and there's going to be a few more that we look at as we build our application. Certainly, we haven't looked at authentication yet. So we will have different types of errors that our server is going to respond to as well. And we've also taken a look at throwing errors from Axios to our store to our components. But what we haven't looked at yet is validation on the client side. And we're going to take a look at that next, but in the context of forms as a whole, because we'll need a helper package to help us with forms in React. We can do it by ourselves, but it's much easier to use a specially designed forms package that we can add to our application. And that's what we'll take a look at next.